Let's play some games.
Game on, Jason.
Huh? The TV doesn't work.
Huh?
Now it does.
Huh? Are you guys gaming again?
Can I take
Guys,
the ball?
I told you no games. You too, Jason. Give it to me.
Jason, what do we do now? I want to play games.
I know something. The remote control.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Enough games. They always want to play games.
And
Boss. She is boss.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello. Hello. She is boss, Jason. Come on, let's game.
Well, we're back to gaming.
Play. Oh man, this is fun.
Yeah.
Hey Jason, didn't you think we should unpause Sarah?
Yeah, I think it's time.
What happened? Huh? What was I doing? I don't know.
That was funny.
Time to prepare homework for Jason and Alex. Jason, Alex, time to do your homework. Come on.
Homework, oh my goodness. Jason, come here. Go. Oh, Jason, come on. We got it.
Guys, did you make your homework?
No.
No, boss. She's boss, Jason, look. Okay, come on, Jason.
Do you want to challenge me in a game of Minecraft?
Yes, game on.
Challenge accepted. Wait, Sarah's still paused.
You're right. Go help her quickly.
Okay, I won't pause her. She's still paused. Take this and wait.
Huh?
Oh, come, Jason. Did you unpause Sarah?
Yeah, I did.
All right, let's play again. Yeah. Go. Hey, Jason, wanna go outside now?
Okay, let's go outside.
Oh no, you're not going outside. You need to clean your mess first.
Oops.
It's a big mess.
Oh no.
Jason.
Let's pause her fast.
Let's pause her.